Hello everybody and welcome to mini course part 3. In today's video, I just decided to talk about how we can eliminate the bad trades and basically how we can avoid some losses. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to talk about is trend trading and how to properly do it. I'm pretty sure you have heard this a lot from me, but some of you might think, okay, so how do we exactly go always with the trend? We want best possible results, and how do we do that? Okay, and now in today's video I will show you how to do it. Also, we will have live examples on the chart. Okay, so first of all, in this video we will talk about what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, why we need to always go with the trend, and also finally live trading with the trend. Okay, so today's trading session, for my personal trading session, I decided to explain why do I take these trades and show you all of them are with the trend. Okay, so do not miss today's video at all. Let's get this started. Okay, uptrend. So the first thing comes into your mind hearing this uptrend phrase or word right here is a market is going up, right? But obviously markets doesn't go up like that. Markets move like this, right? So in an uptrend, as you can see right here, we have markets moving like that. Okay, and if you look closer, you will see that 80% of the candles are green and only a few red candles are here. So this is an absolute uptrend. Okay, and here's the characteristics of an uptrend. The majority of the candles are green. Buy setups are strong. This is very important. Okay, so you might have a sell setup in an uptrend and you take it confidently and you end up losing it, but you don't know why. If you zoom back, if you check the major and minor trend, you will see that you are against them. Okay, I will show you at the live chart, don't worry about that. Okay, and another characteristic is the sell setups are weak, right? So the logical thing here to do is always go in the direction of the market, and the direction of the market is basically market's trend. Okay, direction is a general term. For example, we have this kind of market. The direction is upward, but we might have some downtrends inside of it. Okay, so I will explain everything in this video. And about the downtrends is exactly the same. We have red candles more than green candles, and again the sell setups are strong and the buy setups are weak, right? So let's go into the video right now, and before that we have 3 parts for these mini course series. If you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2, make sure you watch it. Okay, the part 2 is about QM trading, everything's a full detailed explanation, and part 1 is it's a very good place if you're a beginner or you have you don't have enough experience and you're just new in this market. It is suggested to watch this one as well. Okay, these 2, mini course part 1 and mini course part 1 and part 2 are very important. Okay, so now let's go straight into the live trading. Okay, now you'll see me live trading and show you the trend. I go with the buyers here as my first trade, and in this session I'm going to show you how trend trading can really increase your winning ratio. Okay, so we're going to look for major uptrend, minor uptrend, and then we will go in the direction of major and minor downtrend. Okay, so if this is our major trend, this is going to be our minor trend. Okay, minor trend uptrend, minor trend downtrend, again minor trend uptrend. So if we have major uptrend, we only trade in these areas. Okay, So this is going to be my first trade. This is also a common point of rejection, okay, which is valid, but this would be against the trend, so we wouldn't take it, right? So now I will look for other pairs. For example, this one. It's okay. Major trend is moving like that. Okay, it's moving like that. And now the major trend is downtrend. Let's see. The minor trend is also coming down. So this doji trade right here, it would be against the minor trend. Okay, so I wouldn't take this. But if you break the doji from upside, it would be takeable, right? So here we don't have the major trend for taking this buy. And as you can see, the sellers are so strong, they're just pushing down the price. And probably those who had taken this buy right here, they probably would lose in this trade because it's against the minor trend. Okay, so I would just look for, okay, for this one we have major uptrend and minor uptrend. This doji break is going to be against the major and minor uptrend. So if we break this doji from the downside, the next trade would be buy. So it would be strong. But in this case, we have also an ABC right here. I will take a very small trade, show you something. Let's see if it closes up here, even in the seller's entry, it would be a good trade, okay? Even though it's against a trend, it would be a good trade because it's a combination of doji break and a ABC break, okay? So it's breaking strong supply areas and the seller should be triggered. But like I said, it's against the major and minor trend. So you can add this filter to your strategy to take, okay, I take it with 200, to take this kind of trends, this kind of trades that they are against a major and minor trend with smaller amounts. Okay, you can just add this to your filter just in case if you lose the trade, which most likely if you're going against the minor and major trend, most likely you're going to lose some trades. So your loss is going to be small, right? But in this case, it was looking good, okay? Even if it was closing right here at the seller's entry, it would be triple reason to take this trade. But like I said, the trend is so important to go with the trend, because if you count up all these candles, you will see that at least 70% of the candles are green and only 30% of them are red. So why would we go with a lower probability, right? All right, it was a winning trade, but it wasn't a good trade. Now we have a major downtrend and minor trend was uptrend, and now we have been doing this, and now we are in the range. So minor trend is ranging. If we break income, start going down, it would be major and minor downtrend. So we can take trades. In this case, you are just inside of a ranging market. I will look to other pairs. Okay. Again, we have been coming down, major downtrend, and now we are at this ranging market. Okay, so we don't have a minor trend right here. It's just a ranging market. Alright, again, major and minor uptrend. So I will go with the trend, simple and easy. We have engulf right here, right? So this engulf can give us a retracement. I go for 2 minutes on this one, right? So also we can go to the lower time frame inside of the engulf, and we see this demand area right here. Okay, just in case if we lose this trade, we can count on this one. the price comes down here, it will react from it because we are, okay, I go two more right here. Let's go. Beautiful. We are in this uptrend. The major trend has been downtrend previously, and then it started going up, and now the price has been going up. See that? It's uptrend. So clear. It's going up, major trend. But the minor trend is way more important. Okay, minor trend is where we decide to take a trade. Okay, so if we zoom in right here, you see also the minor trend is creating higher highs all the time, right? So we go in the direction of major and minor trend. Okay, in this case we have this ABC again, so we have minor uptrend. ABC is just a trend confirmation for us, a micro trend, a very small trend. Okay, we see this type of movement in the market. Okay, this is called ABC. So this area right here it has something inside of it, right? So if I mark up this ABC and trying to show you something, go to lower time frame, step by step, boom. You see this fresh supply and demand, right? So the market is all switching between supply and demand. See this red area? It's my supply. It's my demand, I'm sorry. Okay? And now the price comes down here. It will trigger a lot of buyers. So we can add trades here. Okay? And they will reject. And also, the benefit of trading binary is that we are trading on 1 minute. We don't care if the price starts to drop right here. The Forex traders do care because they trade based on the market's, you know, how much it moves up and down. But in this case, we just zoom in, we just put that microscope and we find that point of interest of buyers and sellers, and just we took advantage of little movement right here. While the Forex traders might just wait for a longer time to price kind of fluctuate, you know, go in a certain direction. I'm not saying Forex is bad or good. I do both of them. Forex is great for staying rich, but binary is great for becoming rich. So for those who are trading binary, they should also consider trading Forex, at least start learning it. Okay. Now, look at this one. You see two dojis right here. You see two dojis, and you see that dojis are being broken by this candle, right? So should you take this trade? Let's check it out. We have obviously minor. Okay, let me just check it out for you. All right, see this? This is, you can already tell that this is uptrend, isn't it? Look at that. Uptrend, market creating higher highs, so it's uptrend. Simple. Uptrend. See? Now we know that the market's direction is upward. If we zoom in, you see this ABC. So market is also creating higher highs. But look at the back. You see this ranging market right here. Okay, this has been a range. So we have been minor downtrend, and then we turned into a QM. This is the QM area. Price came down here, and now the trend has been changed to minor uptrend. Now you see this doji being broken right here. Okay, so this trade is absolutely with the major and minor trend, but I will show you something even better. Okay, this is live chart obviously, and I haven't checked it, but I am pretty sure that this resistance area has something inside of this, a decision point. Okay, it's gonna be exactly here. Okay, let me just go to lower time frame to show you that. Oh, don't embarrass me. Okay, there we go. This is the fresh demand area for me to take in case if I miss the doji trade. Okay, so the entry is going to be exactly at this red zone. Okay, so these dojis are being broken. Okay, and so many of you might take this doji trade immediately, right? But after taking this doji, the price came down here to take this demand, and then boom. So imagine we have minor uptrend, major uptrend, double freaking doji breakout, and then a decision point inside of this ABC. If you remember, I told you we have supply and demand inside of ABCs, right? So price comes down here for that and takes that. So we have everything to take this trade, right? What about this one? We still can break the doji from upside, right? But would it be with the trend? Of course, it wouldn't be with the trend. So if this one being broken, these dojis are all broken, and some of you take a sell, price comes down here, boom, it rejects the last seconds, and you're complaining, why am I losing this trade? It's because you are going against the market's direction. If you look at this, the market has been, oh shit. The market has been going up, and obviously the market's trying to go up to the supply up here, so you're going against it. You might win some trades this way, but it's not suggested. Okay, let's check out the pairs. Let me know if you like this kind of videos and not just taking trades, just kind of explaining what is happening in the market. Just drop a like for me so I know that you like it. All right. The market's coming down, right? This trade would be dope right here. This trade would be crazy as a common point of rejection. Okay, when we have so many rejections, we draw a common point. We can trade in the direction of major and minor trend. Would be nice. All right, so look at this doji break. I will take this buy, and you will see how beautiful it will be. We have this doji, right? Let me see. Oh, it's actually minor downtrend. Okay, my bad. This is minor downtrend. It's major uptrend, but it's minor downtrend. So we are not interested in buying here. I will only take this if we break this doji from upside. Okay, for now we're just inside of this range, and I will only take it if we break this from the upside. If we break this from the downside and take it, you might have another small candle down here and you lose the trade. Okay, oh my god, this is absolute downtrend. And these two trades were insane trades. These two trades right here, you see, were crazy beautiful trades. Also, you could add up this little common point of rejection to it. Would be crazy. See that? So imagine if I was in the market and I was seeing this doji break, the price would come up here. I would probably add some trades. It would close like this. Or maybe again, after this breakout of this doji, it wouldn't come up, but the next one, you know, these are beautiful. So here, I'll just wait for this one to be broken to give us a sell setup, and then I will take it. All right, I really want to take this, okay, right now, and I'll show you why. Okay, this is a doji break, but what makes this interesting? If you look, okay, you know, this might look bad for you because I know I've said that dojis work best in ranging markets. When you have a range and then doji happens inside of it, it would be best. But if you look, we have absolutely uptrend, major and minor uptrend if it loads this area. Okay, it doesn't load that. We have major and the minor uptrend, and this doji break is with the trend, with the major and minor uptrend. But I waited for this one. I was a bit skeptical to take this trade. If you look, I was just thinking, and then I thought we might have something down here. I already know we have, right? We have some supply and demand, and market came down to take that. We know that the market keeps switching. What is happening? Keeps switching between supply and demand, right? So there we go. I can already tell what is happening in the market. So if I make this red for you, you will see that this is a beautiful demand area which market came to take this and then doji. So conclusion, we need to always go with the market's direction. We have to have different reasons to take a trade. We do not trade blindly, otherwise everybody would be rich. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, I hit my today's profit. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel, first link in the description. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.